Welcome back to our ongoing exploration of the intriguing world of intermittent fasting. In today's episode, we embark on a journey that athletes and fitness enthusiasts will find particularly fascinating: intermittent fasting and endurance performance. Join us as we delve into the potential effects of fasting on stamina and long-duration activities, uncovering insights that can enhance your understanding of how fasting and endurance activities intersect. Fueling the endurance engine. Endurance performance, characterized by prolonged activities like running, cycling, or swimming, demands a continuous supply of energy. Intermittent fasting, with its distinct eating patterns, raises intriguing questions about its impact on endurance capabilities. Stamina and fasting adaptations. Research suggests that intermittent fasting might trigger certain adaptations that could benefit endurance performance. Fasting periods may prompt the body to become more efficient in utilizing stored energy, potentially enhancing stamina during long-duration activities. The role of glycogen. Glycogen, stored glucose in muscles and liver, is a primary energy source during endurance activities. Some studies propose that fasting might encourage glycogen sparing, a phenomenon where the body prioritizes fat utilization, potentially prolonging endurance. Fat adaptation and endurance. Intermittent fasting could contribute to fat adaptation, where the body becomes more skilled at using fats for energy. This adaptation might be advantageous for endurance athletes, as fat stores are more abundant than glycogen. Optimizing fasting windows. Strategically timing your fasting windows might be key. Initiating fasting after intense training sessions and breaking your fast with nutrient-dense, balanced meals can aid recovery and replenish energy stores for subsequent endurance activities. Balancing nutrient needs. While fasting adaptations can have potential benefits, it's crucial to ensure that nutrient needs are met during eating windows. Adequate protein intake, along with essential vitamins and minerals, supports muscle repair and overall health. Hydration matters. Proper hydration is vital for endurance performance. During fasting periods, staying well hydrated is essential to maintain stamina and prevent dehydration, which can impair performance. Listening to your body. As with any dietary approach, paying attention to your body's signals is paramount. If you find that fasting negatively impacts your endurance or overall performance, adjusting your fasting routine or consulting a sports nutrition expert is advisable. Individual variability. It's important to acknowledge that individual responses to intermittent fasting and endurance performance can vary. Factors like genetics, training history, and specific sport requirements contribute to the complex equation. Gradual implementation. If you're an endurance athlete considering intermittent fasting, gradual implementation is recommended. Slowly introduce fasting into your routine while closely monitoring its impact on your training and performance. The holistic approach. Endurance performance isn't solely determined by fasting practices. Sleep quality, training regimen, recovery strategies, and overall nutrition play interconnected roles in achieving peak performance. Consulting experts for athletes seeking to optimize endurance performance through intermittent fasting. Consulting sports nutrition professionals can provide tailored guidance based on individual goals and needs. In conclusion, the relationship between intermittent fasting and endurance performance offers a fascinating avenue for exploration. While potential adaptations may support stamina and energy utilization, a comprehensive approach that includes proper nutrient intake, hydration, and individualized strategies is essential for maximizing performance. Thank you for joining us on this informative journey. Stay tuned for more captivating insights into intermittent fasting and its diverse implications. Until next time, let us embrace the dynamic interplay between fasting and endurance as we strive for peak performance while nourishing our bodies and aspirations.